Okay, I found out that I don't need to add an additional washer to the water filter. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try to screw on the adapter so that the water can go from the faucet through to the filter. Yes, I know you guys think I can't, but trust me, I used to work on cars. Nothing major, but I could do certain things. Now this is what I was told to put here. So I think it goes this way so that the water can go down that way. Let's see. Wish me luck. I'm going to try. Oh, sorry, it fell. That's natural. I'm human. So let's see. Can you see it? Can you see me? Okay. Let me do this here. And I want this to go like this here. I'm going to turn it in here. Let's see how it works. It's going in. Wish me luck, fellas and ladies, because, you know, according to the world out there, girls with long nails can't do this. Let's see. Oh, come on. I don't think it's going in through the washer, though. Let's see. All right, let me try this way. I don't think it's going on. Let me try. Let me see if I turn it. Maybe if I turn it. Bear with me. It's my first time trying to install a water filter. I think I'm getting it. What do you think? This video, I'm going to break it up into a few pieces because, you know, I can't do the whole thing in one shot. Let's see. It's not going, it's not on, it's not aligned properly. I'm going to have to try it again. Let's see.